Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock the Xiaomi 15 Ultra without the password. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two options how you can unlock your phone without the password. But I'm telling you that all of your data will be erased from the phone, so please remember about that. So first option is by using the Google Find My Device. So simply get into your Google, type Find My Device and then click on Sign In. Okay, now we have our Xiaomi. Click on Find My Device. Find My Device Web. And now we have the factory reset device. As you can see, all data will be erased permanently from this phone. After the reset device location will not be available in Find My Device. If the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. Okay, so now simply click on Next. Type your password and then follow the rules on the screen. Okay, so another option is by resetting using the recovery mode when we don't have access to the phone. So now I will show you how this works. So first we need to turn off our phone. Okay, power off. Now let's wait a little bit. Okay, and now we want to use the combination of two buttons, which is the power button and the volume up button, and that's how we get access to the recovery mode. So that's what I'm gonna do now to show you. Okay, let's keep on holding. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume buttons, and if we want to confirm the selected option, we click the power button. So now let's click on wipe all data. You can see this cannot be undone. Now let's click on confirm, the process is started. Now let's wait until it's finished. Okay, now click to back to main menu, and when you click the reboot button, the phone will be automatically turned on back again, and you will need to set up the phone. Okay, so click on reboot to system now, but before I'll also tell you that you can go into authorized center when you bought the phone and then try to look for help. Okay, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.